Hello, this is Greg. I have a dental and ear inspection tool in my shop. It's mine. I purchased it to do dental inspections on myself. And here it is right here. It's all one unit, USB-C charge, and you can put a TF card in it and have video or take pictures. So when you open it up, I got my little thing here to prop it so you can see what we're doing here. When you open it up and you pull out the device, which this came with a little handle, little pull thing, and it just came right off. But you pull it out, the wireless comes on, and it connects directly to the device. And you can see right here, let me pull back just a little bit for the view, and that's how it looks. And if you let me see, how about over here? Let's try this one. There we go. There we go. Easy. You click this left button and it will highlight. Right now it's on camera by default. It goes to video. And then it goes over to this switch where you can click OK, I believe. And that will either mirror or reverse. But that's the correct way. And then you click the left button again. And this is the other one. I think that's the reverse. So then that's the standard way around. And it has this one here for turning it sideways or up and down. And then you have your brightness and then camera or video if there's a card in it. So that's how that works. Now I'm going to show you the inside of my ear. So if you're disgusted by that kind of thing, don't watch. First thing you want to do is put one of these little guards on. They slip right over the top, just slicker than snot. It's kind of a bad reference since I'm going in the ear, but that's a little protector. And then, can you see this okay? I think you can. I think it's, it's not, it's a lot brighter on this camera than it is on the film. Let's see if I can turn off the light. It might be a little bit better. Well, it just made that darker. Well, let's see what it's going to look like. Here we go, in the ear. And there's my earwax. I apologize. I'm a pig. Can I gig that out of there? Not easily. Let me see. Let me look over here and see if I can do it. Yes, I can. I got to get my orientation a little bit. And almost. But you can see how it's grabbing a hold of it. It'll definitely take me a while to figure out the, how am I going here? In, see, I'm upside down right here. So if I right there. See, I think that right there. How about that? Way easier. You just dig in there and get your wax out. Okay? I really want to try and manipulate that out of there, but I'm not really getting it that good. Anyway, you can see how it works now, and it even has wax on the end of it. So if we want to trade up to dental, we pull this out, set it down. I'll clean it after a while. I know this is kind of oral, but that's the way it goes. Kind of, you plug in the camera and it just automatically picks it up there. And you can change the orientation on this one. So that it's going around the right way. It has these little picks that you can Come on. Stick in the end of it. Sorry about the light on the camera. You can't really turn it off. These go into here so you can use it like a dental pick. And then I'm going to show you my cavity. I have a cavity. That's why I bought this. I inspect all the time, and I just missed something, and it got in there and it didn't get out, and I got a cavity from it. So here we go. Right there. I breathed out. That's why it got blurry. So that, and then the pick, I'm going to take that out just because I just wanted to show it to you. But for just general inspections, you can see it works good. I need a cleaning, and you can inspect other stuff with it too, I'm sure. But it is I would recommend, and I do alcohol all this stuff off. I should have shown that before I started, but anyway, I wanted to make the video short. And I'm going to pull that off of there and put this back inside of here, and that automatically shuts it off and starts it charging. And gives you a connection lost. When you have a connection lost, you just click OK. It's actually very simple. It's incredibly easy. So right here is connection lost. I pull it out. I have the green arrow. I just click OK. And it comes right back on. It's incredibly simple. Now, as far as this is a thing that I would actually call intuitive. Okay, it actually did work very well, very easily. I didn't have to do a lot of, I did have to read the directions. Oh, when I first got it. I'll leave this in. It seems to like to have one in it. When you open it up, it connects automatically that way. And then it all fits into one box. So I am, you know, it's a device that I need because I have $1,200 worth of cavities I have to get corrected because I wasn't looking. I was inspecting the inside, but I wasn't looking at the outside where I needed to. So anyway, I hope this helps someone somewhere make a decision to do something. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.